Why is Leopold, the king of Belgium, who killed over 15 million Africans, not listed in the most evil men that have ever lived? Do we know about him? No, we don't. Over 15 million. I'm not counting numbers and saying one life is more valuable than the other, but I'm trying to show you how much our ignorance has acted as a curse upon us, because we don't even realize the injustices that are being done to us. Do you even know that the concentration camps that the Jews were killed in, right, those gas chambers, were first perfected in Africa, and black people got killed by them first in order to large scale the Jewish one? Do we know that part of history? Yes, the gas chamber started in Namibia. The Nama people were the first victims of that. But you see, the Jews, unlike us Africans, have received compensation of over 500 billion from the German government. What have you received as a black man? We are the generation born at the dawn of political liberation. Our parents do not have 3 generations. No, my father has 5,000 hectares that he inherited from his great-great-great-grandfather and things like that. You find our white counterparts, they have that privilege. I meet a lot with other white farmers, and when you begin to speak to them, you hear them say, I'm a 6th generation farmer, I'm a 7th generation farmer, and I'm thinking of myself, like, I'm a 1st generation farmer in my family. So you understand the competition is now. We have to play catch up to that. The government is not really interested in helping us there. That's why I want us to change our mindset, because if we can be liberated in the mind, then we'll be liberated economically, and we'll be liberated politically.